Let's analyze together NIO 2025, what's gonna happen this year.
Let's see. Let us know in the comments below. First of all, remember to read disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Welcome, honest traders, trading HT. So let's go. We hope that you start this year in the best possible way. Who is the best for you and this year and in life, in trading and in everything. Let's go with NIO Inc. Very interesting one in the daily time frame. Remember, we were talking in the previous videos about this kind of Christmas trees pattern, we could say, in these times. And then we had a breakout to the upper part, very interesting movement. But from there, the price started to drop again and kind of entered into this range again between $4.28 and the area of $5 at the upper part. What do you think about this last price action, Alvaro? And of course, subscribers and trading HT honest traders, let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, look at that. I just activated the volume profile right here, and you can clearly see the price action right now. Is the point of control, which is the red line, is the most traded area in the last, I would say, the last year. So obviously, what's happening right here is like we have a lot of information in terms of buying and selling the stock around this area. The thing here is like we have to study the fundamentals as well to understand what's happening here. But what I see from the screen is like there's like a huge accumulation process around this area.
Yeah, I mean, if we see price action in past months around these same levels, the volume was being traded right there was also very interesting, as the volume profile indicates there. So let's go with that that forecast section and the EPS also. What can you see right there, Alvaro?
Yeah, here we have on below the chart of the net income in quarters. So what we are watching right now is the last quarter was like a reported earnings of minus 0.30, and the previous one, which is the area right here back in June 2024 when it was trading around the same area, the earnings we're talking about is like a minus 0.33. So obviously this is like very similar results in terms of net income. And then if we go to the forecast, and this is very interesting, we have an estimate of minus 0.30, which is essentially the same fundamentals every quarter for the last year.
Yeah, let's go also with the forecast from the Wall Street analyst, because I think it's very interesting to share this data. In the previous video, I have the screenshot right here. We had 29 analysts, now we have just 25, so 4 less. And then we have a maximum of $10. In the past, exactly the 21st of October, the maximum was 9.86, so a little bit higher this time. Then we had an average in the previous video, 21st of October, of $6.76. Right now the average is 6.11, a little bit lower. And then right now we have a minimum of $4 of 3.86 to be exact. And then in the previous videos the minimum was 3.98, so right now a little bit lower. So very similar forecast, we could say, taking into account that we have 4 less analysts. We could talk about it. Why do you think there are 4 less talking about this stock or offering that forecast? Let us know in the comments below your opinion about it. And also, if we go back to the chart, to the news section, we have right here 2 hours ago from MT News Wires, you can see right there, HSBC downgrades NIO to hold from buy, adjust price target to $4.50 from $7.20. So this is just one of those analysts, but of course if they change the price from buy to hold at the current prices, it's because they changed their view on this stock. So why do you think this is happening? Do you think the rest of analysts will follow a similar path, or do you think like we'll see another bullish years in terms of forecast for NIO? Let us know below in the comments.
I gotta tell you, Enrique, and this is like my opinion, of course, but the technology that they have is absolutely amazing. You know, the possibility to swap batteries just in a station, it's incredible. And actually, I just saw the other day, and I think it was Finland. A lot of Teslas, like there was like a huge queue in one of these charging stations. We're talking about 200, 300 Teslas waiting because there is not enough charging stations in that area. And so they are all in queue. That's signaling a problem of the EV industry, that they don't have enough charging stations. Probably they won't ever have the number of stations that are required for the whole population. But NIO has actually the solution, because they just swap the battery, and just maybe is that you have a new battery in less than 5 minutes. So the technology is huge. Still, the problem is like they are still in losses. But if they manage, to sell more cars, or even to sell the technology to other brands, that could be like something game changing.
It's something very very interesting, and of course this company is well related to the EV sector, not only in the sense as you mentioned of selling cars, but also with that technology, you know, that they are developing and trying to implement and all that. So if you have more information about the EV market, the charging battery system and all that, please share it in the comments below, because we would like to hear your opinion about this new technology that NIO has been developing. And also, how do you see the near future and the long-term future for the EV company and this company in particular? If you want other assets that you are trading or analyzing, to share in the comments below so we can take a look at and comment them in Trading HT. So we would be happy to hear from you and to go with them also. And in order to finish, what can we see in the monthly chart of NIO Inc? Because I think it's a very interesting chart. Let's put the logarithmic scale. I didn't have it like on, and we can clearly see like the price is trading at levels that were being traded in 2019 and 2020. So this could be like a very good opportunity, but also maybe the opposite, you know, like the continuance of this drop that started at the start of 2021. So my quick question for you guys: do you think this is an opportunity or not? How do you see NIO stock for this year? Let's go. Let us know in the comments below, honest traders.
Thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next video.
Remember to subscribe and check the video right here. Let's go.
Let's go.